a hearty welcome to all viewers who've tuned in to Modern World Dynamics. Today, we're diving into the exciting and sometimes befuddling world of modern dating, specifically finding a husband. We'll cover the landscape, where to look, and what to look for, all peppered with anecdotes and a bit of humour. After all, dating today can feel a bit like hunting for a needle in a haystack, only the haystack is a chat room and the needle is a gentleman. So buckle up for this insightful journey into the world of modern dating. Diving right in, let's first understand the modern dating landscape. It's like navigating a labyrinth with your eyes closed and one hand tied behind your back. It's exciting, unpredictable, and full of surprises. Gone are the days of traditional courtship, handwritten letters, long phone calls, and the nerve-wracking first meeting set up by your Aunt Sally. Instead, we've swapped these for a quick swipe right on our smartphones, a witty text, and a casual coffee date. Welcome to the era of online dating, where love is just a click away. This digital revolution in romance has its advantages. You can meet people from all walks of life, from the comfort of your sofa, in your pajamas. It's like shopping for your dream partner, with filters for interests, location, age, and even star sign. But every rose has its thorns. The downside is that the sheer volume of options can feel overwhelming. It's like being in a sweet shop with an endless array of candies, making it hard to pick just one. Plus, with the ease of communication comes the ghosting, catfishing, and the dreaded unsolicited pictures. Now, let's imagine a scenario. Picture yourself in a virtual room filled with potential suitors, each one hidden behind a profile. Some are genuine, others not so much. You strike up a conversation, there's a spark, and just like that, you're off on a roller coaster ride of modern dating. But beware, not all that glitters is gold. You might stumble upon a few frogs before you find your prince. And remember, it's not just about finding the right person, but also about being the right person. After all, love is a two-way street. So, whether you're a veteran of the dating game or a rookie just dipping your toes in the water, remember this: it's a wild ride, but it's also an adventure. And who knows, you might just find you're happily ever after at the end of it. Having understood the landscape, we can now delve deeper into the quest of finding a husband. Now, the million-dollar question: where do we find our future husband in this ever-evolving dating world? Imagine this. You're at a local bookshop reaching for your favorite novel, and suddenly your hand brushes someone else's. The two of you strike up a conversation, and voila, you've met someone interesting. Yes, the good old-fashioned way of meeting people in person, at cafes, bookshops, or social events still works. But let's be real, we're living in the digital age. Online platforms have revolutionized the way we connect with potential partners. Whether it's a dating app or social media, the internet is brimming with opportunities to meet someone who might just be the one. Picture a friend of mine, Claire. She was skeptical about online dating, but one day she decided to give it a go. Fast forward to today, she's happily married to John, a man she met on a dating app. And let's not forget about hobbies and interests. Joining clubs or groups related to your interests can be a great way to meet like-minded individuals. Remember, shared interests can often lead to shared lives. But, no matter where you meet them, it's important to stay open and optimistic, because at the end of the day, your future husband could be just around the corner or a swipe away. Remember, the world is full of potential partners, you just need to know where to look. Having found potential partners, the next step is to identify if they're husband material. Now, this is not about finding a perfect man, because let's be real, nobody's perfect. Instead, it's about identifying those qualities that make a man a great lifetime companion. Firstly, consider character traits. You want someone who's kind, respectful, and honest. Picture this. You've had a rough day at work, and you come home to a partner who listens empathetically, offers a comforting word or two, and maybe even makes you a cup of tea. That's kindness in action. Respect, on the other hand, can be seen when he values your opinions and acknowledges your strengths and weaknesses without judgment. And honesty, well, that's the foundation of any strong relationship. You want a partner who communicates openly, even when it's tough. Next, look for lifestyle compatibility. Are you both morning people or night owls? Do you share a love for the outdoors or prefer cozy nights in? Think about it. If you're an adventure junkie and he's a dedicated couch potato, you might encounter some friction. Let's tell a little story here. Imagine Sarah and John. Sarah loves hiking, climbing, and generally being active, while John prefers the quiet comfort of his home. They struggle to find common activities, and over time, it creates a rift between them. The moral here? Shared interests and compatible lifestyles matter. Consider also financial habits. Is he responsible with money? Does he share your approach to saving, spending, and investing? Money is one of the most common sources of conflict in relationships, so finding someone who aligns with your financial values is crucial. Finally, look for someone who shares your values and life goals. If you dream of traveling the world and he prefers to stay put, or if you value family time and he's always at work, these differing aspirations can cause tension. Identifying these qualities will help you find a partner who is not just a husband, but a lifetime companion. Before we proceed, here's a gentle reminder. If you're enjoying this journey through the modern dating landscape and finding it helpful, why not hit that subscribe button? It's right there, just waiting for your click. And while you're at it, you might want to consider making a donation. You see, behind the scenes of each video, there's a lot of research, planning, and late nights spent to produce these engaging and informative pieces. Your donation, no matter how small, can really make a big difference. It ensures that we can continue to delve into these fascinating topics and share them with you. The link to donate is right there in the description below. It's as simple as a couple of clicks, and you'll be directly contributing to the creation of more content that you enjoy. Your support helps us create more content like this, so thank you. As we wrap up, remember that finding a husband in modern dating is a journey, not a destination. We've navigated through the contemporary dating landscape, exploring the diverse avenues where your future husband might be waiting. Whether it's online platforms or social gatherings, remember the world is your oyster. We've also shed light on the important qualities to seek in a potential partner. From kindness and respect to shared values and dreams, the essence of your search lies in compatibility. Let's not forget, patience and self-awareness are your best friends in this journey. It's not just about finding the right person, but also about being the right person. Remember, love isn't a race, it's an adventure. So take your time, enjoy the journey, and when the time is right, you'll find your partner. Until then, stay curious, stay open, and stay hopeful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Modern World Dynamics for more insightful content. Happy dating!